I hate करेला. Worst thing ever.
Healthy things are not tasty.
आपका pitch बहुत अच्छा है लेकिन I'm not willing to take the risk.
अब मजा आएगा.
So today we are playing Truth or Challenge with Little Joy's founder.
So let's go.
We'll pick a chit. Okay, the chit is truth.
मम्मा कहती है ग्रीन वेजिटेबल्स खाने चाहिए बट मैंने खुद देखा है मम्मा प्लेट में भिंडी साइड कर देती है.
खुद नहीं खाते, हमें देते हैं
हमें
खाने को.
बोलते हैं खाने and then
ये
they
रोल
don't eat
हमारे
it.
लिए क्यों है सिर्फ?
As we grow up, we discover different kinds of taste. It's not fair to compare what your parents are having and what you are having. Your parents are ideally just hoping that you will have a balanced diet. You are today in a developing phase. Your parents want what is best for you. So the logical answer is physical and mental development depends a lot on nutrition and diet. It may be that they may not really like it, but they know it is really good for you. So if there is a chance that you end up liking it, या शायद आप हर फ्राइडे करेला खा के आप फिर 3 महीने बाद बोलो कि आप मेरे को हर फ्राइडे करेला ही चाहिए because habits can be formed.
आदत हो
Correct.
जाती है.
Habits can be formed. We'll now look at the next chit. This is also truth. Okay. What's the next truth that you guys want to know?
मम्मा कहती है हेल्दी फूड्स खाने से हाइट बढ़ती है, पर हमने एड्स में देखा है कि चॉकलेट मिल्क पीने से हमारी हाइट बढ़ती है. तो क्या मम्मा झूठ बोलती है?
So, see, this is what advertisement is about, right? Each one of your parents, even me as a parent, has a certain aspiration for their children. Like I'm sure half the time, if you have overheard your parents will be talking about कि पढ़ाई में कैसे करेगा, ये आगे जाके क्या करेगा, sports में first क्यों नहीं आ रहा है, या इसको cricket में team में क्यों नहीं लिया जा रहा है करके. So every parent has this anxiety that are we doing enough for the physical and mental development of our children. Right? So therefore every ad will effectively try to say that okay, this is the anxiety you have, right? The other worry that parents have is कि मेरा बच्चा आपने बोला green leafy vegetables खा ही नहीं रहे हो आप, करेला पसंद ही नहीं है आपको, भिंडी पसंद ही नहीं है आपको. So there is a typical worry that parents have कि मेरा बच्चा picky eater है. Like you know मैं जो भी खाना देना चाह रही हूँ जिससे उसके macronutrients पूरे होंगे वो तो उसको चाहिए ही नहीं. So effectively if something tasty can come in and solve for all of this, then maybe I should give it to the child, which is where milk mixes as an entire category has gotten formed. So the good part is it is a good add-on, but unfortunately because the hook is to build relatability, a lot of times people associate that ये outcome आएगा. मैं अगर ये milk mix दूंगी मेरे बच्चे को तो वो smarter होगा या sports में first आएगा. That is a wrong expectation being set. No milk mix can make you taller. Like height by design is 80% genetics. Like I am tall, my parents are actually not that tall. My parents are actually both 5 feet. I am 6 feet. So you will say, but genetics कैसे? आपके parents तो 5 feet है. But genetics doesn't just mean your parents, could mean your grandparents as well. So my grandfather was 6 feet 1. As long as genetically somewhere in my parents or their parents were tall enough, there is a potential for me to become tall. As long as I have the right diet, I have enough rest, and I also ensure that there is enough physical activity. Now you guys will need to take a chit, and it's my turn to ask questions to you.
Okay. It's truth.
When you take tiffin to your school, what do you share and what do you not share?
I usually give cauliflower sabzi to my friends and I eat the rest.
How have you found friends who like cauliflower? That's actually a more amazing thing.
वैसे मैं सब कुछ शेयर करता हूँ, लेकिन जब गमीज आता है किसी को देता नहीं, चुपके से खा लेता हूँ. I love gummies.
My son, by the way, does opposite. He uses the gummies as a trade mechanism. So he does trading
I've
of
done that.
gummies. कि अच्छा मैं आपको gummy दूंगा, तुम मुझे क्या दोगे करके. So because he knows that everyone loves the gummies, so he takes 2 or 3 and then he trades it for something that he likes.
I've done that.
Why do you like the gummies so much कि आप तो gummies trade नहीं करोगे?
Yeah, they are sweet. खाने में भी अच्छा लगता है.
But if they are sweet, then आप generally तो मम्मा बोलती है मीठा मत खाओ करके, तो why is she allowing you?
Healthy na?
Who told you they're healthy? I mean, yeah, the gummies are not made of any sweetener actually. If you see the broad macronutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, fat, and there's a fourth one, which is fiber. So fiber is good for gut health. Gut health is stomach digestion. So the gummies are actually made of a prebiotic fiber. I know you guys hate plants, so it's encouraging to know that you guys didn't notice, but that gummy is actually made from a plant. It's called a chicory plant. You know roots, plant में stem होता है, leaves होते हैं, roots होते हैं, उसका एक root होता है. वो root जो है उससे actually, like you know, radish is a root, right? Carrot is a
Even
root.
carrot.
So there are bunch of things. The chicory plant जो है उसके root से, it's a prebiotic fiber. Most of the gummy is that, and the rest is obviously if you're having the multivitamin gummy, it has the multivitamins, or if you're having the brain gummy, it has some DHA. So there are some different actives, which is, let's say, a magnesium gummy will have magnesium, but 80% of the gummy is actually a prebiotic fiber. That's why your mother actually gives them to you and says, "कोई नहीं, ये healthy है." We'll do the next one. Okay, another truth. What's the next truth that you guys want to know?
So my mom asked me to try different foods which I don't like, and most of them are green, and green just looks so boring. I don't want to try it.
Because most of the things are green and they are healthy and they are not tasty.
There is a visual, there's a mind-muscle connection, and your mind makes a decision. First you look at something and then you eat it. So when you're looking at it, you may make a decision that is this going to be tasty or not. I have a niece who's actually never tried yellow and red capsicum. So she said, I can eat green capsicum, I can't eat yellow or red capsicum. And I said, why? And we were trying to make a pasta. So I said, we put all because the colors look great. Right? She said, no, I don't like these capsicum. I think they taste off. So we did a test. I told her mom, cover her eyes. आप बताओ कौन सा capsicum क्या है करके. She tried all three. I didn't tell her which is green, which is yellow, which is red. And she took a guess. All the guesses were wrong because effectively I gave her green only 3 times and she said, ये yellow है, ये red है, ये green है. There's no difference between the taste of all 3 capsicums. They taste exactly the same.
Yeah.
It's just that the visual colors are different. So your mind effectively gives you a cue that ये कुछ अलग है. इसका टेस्ट भी अलग होगा, but actually अलग नहीं होता है.
If you like this video,
And want more of these?
then follow us.